Shala.
Who is that?
Oh, this
Shala. Shala.
What?
Shala.
Shala who?
Shalamela.
Who?
Shalamela. Shala.
What are you doing?
Shala.
I just called the police.
Halamela. Hala. Hala. Shala.
What are you taking pictures of?
Shala.
You can't take pictures of the building.
What the hell he said? 'Cause she said he been out there. They've been asking him and she keep on saying shit to him. What the hell he said?
I have no idea.
Valentine should have been said something about him. What the fuck is he recording? Who in the fuck is he?
Shala. Shala.
What are you recording?
Shalamela. Shala.
Call the police on his ass. Let him. I saw that call out to him. And he's still recording.
Shala.
Why you keep saying Salah?
Shala. 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 Shalamela.
But that ain't telling us nothing. No, he's been all the way down by the stop sign. He's been doing that for the last, what, the longest. Valentine been watching him on the camera.
Sala. Sala.
And he won't even say, look how he's filming you, recording you. What the fuck is he doing? You call the cop?
Sala. 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 Hala mela. Hala. Hala. We just got educated over the phone. This guard is rushing and telling everybody what we're doing. First Amendment audit lives, guys. First Amendment audit lives. They're mad. Damn, why are you guys sweating so much? Why are you guys sweating? You're scared? Never seen a camera before? What a bunch of crybabies. Oh, look at you. Wah, wah. Wah, wah. That's all you got? You're whack. You're whack. You're whack. You're whack, loser. Oh, that's all they got. That's all they got, guys. No se meen. No se meen, cabrones. Pinches llorones, mamones. No se meen. Change your diaper. Change your diaper. Get that diaper change on. You seem like you're kind of soiled over there. Seems like it's time for a diaper change, man. You guys are all soiled and bothered. Get educated. Get educated. Get educated, dummy. You could learn a lot from a dummy. You could learn a lot from a dummy. You could learn a lot from a dummy. There she goes, acting like a dummy. Look, you can learn a lot from a dummy. You can learn a lot from a dummy. Look, here we go. Dummy style. You too, man. Hey, tell him to stop crying, man. He doesn't have consent to film me. Oh my God, Felicia. Bye, Karen. This isn't even Karen. I wouldn't even call this a Karen. This is Karen's diaper. This is Karen's diaper right here. This is Karen's diaper, everybody. Hey, Karen's diaper. How does it feel? Hey, Karen's diaper. Karen's diaper. Karen's diaper. All that comes out your mouth is poop. All that comes out your mouth is poop. Might as well keep it shut. Might as well keep that shit shut. Bye-bye, Karen's diaper.
Must be a Democrat, huh?
Bye-bye, Karen's diaper. He must be a racist. He must be a racist. There it is. Karen's diaper is a racist. Karen's diaper is a racist. Dang, this escalated real quick. Got all political. Oh, Karen's diaper. Time to change the toilet. Time to dump you in the toilet. What it is to be Karen's diaper. What it is to be Karen's diaper right here, guys. Live and in action right here. Karen's diaper, everybody. Why you being a pervert, lady? That's sexual harassment. That's sexual harassment, lady. Damn, that's sexual harassment. Dang. All that? You must be from the 90s. You must have been live in the 90s. Hey, you must have been a good thing in the 90s. Not today. Not today. Not in 2020. Bye-bye.